Your car won't start, and you've got places to be. Before you panic or call a tow truck, watch this. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the most common reasons cars don't start and how to fix them fast, even if you're not a mechanic. First, check the Your battery. If you turn the key and hear clicking, or the dashboard lights are dim or dead, your battery is likely the problem. Inspect the battery terminals for signs of corrosion, which can impede power delivery. Corrosion prevents sufficient power flow from the battery to the vehicle systems. Clean corroded terminals with a wire brush and baking soda solution for better connection. If the battery appears functional, proceed to the next diagnostic step. A single clicking sound may indicate a problem with the starter solenoid. The starter solenoid engages the starter motor to crank the engine. Absence of a clicking sound may indicate a problem with the starter motor. A malfunctioning starter motor prevents the engine from turning over. This failure to turn over directly results in the car not starting. If the motor fails, this crucial starting process is interrupted. Therefore, a faulty starter motor is a common cause of starting issues. Next, this one sounds obvious, but it happens a lot. Begin by checking the fuel level in the vehicle's fuel tank. An empty fuel tank is a common reason a car won't start. Even if the fuel gauge indicates sufficient fuel, issues may persist. A malfunctioning fuel pump can prevent fuel delivery to the engine. This can occur even if the gauge displays an adequate fuel level. The fuel pump relay is responsible for powering the fuel pump. A faulty relay can interrupt the fuel supply to the engine. Locate the fuel pump relay in the vehicle's relay box. Identify another relay with identical specifications. Swap the fuel pump relay with the identified identical relay. Attempt to start the car to see if the issue is resolved. Another common cause is the spark plugs. Ensure to inspect them regularly for engine performance. Faulty or worn spark plugs can cause ignition problems. Weak sparks may fail to ignite the fuel-air mixture effectively. This issue is more pronounced in cold weather conditions. Replace spark plugs if fouling or wear is detected during inspection. The ignition coil is another cause. These coils work together with the spark plugs. A faulty ignition coil can prevent the engine from starting due to lack of spark. A spark tester can be used to verify if the coil is producing a spark at the plugs. Absence of spark indicates a malfunctioning coil needing replacement or further diagnostics. The immobilizer system could be the reason the engine won't start. The immobilizer prevents the car from starting if the key isn't recognized. First, ensure the car key is properly recognized by the system. Check the key battery or try resyncing the key with the car. If the issue persists, try using a spare key to rule out key problems. If the spare key works, the original key may need reprogramming or replacement. Inspect fuses linked to the ignition and fuel pump systems. A blown fuse can cut off power to essential components. This interruption can prevent the car from starting properly. Replace any blown fuses, ensuring the new fuse matches the correct amperage. A faulty crankshaft position sensor can cause engine start failure. The sensor sends timing data to the engine control unit, ECU. Incorrect timing information prevents the engine from starting. Proper sensor function is critical for engine operation. Ensure the air intake is free from any obstructions. A clogged air filter can severely restrict airflow to the engine. Restricted airflow makes starting the engine difficult. This issue is more pronounced in older vehicles. Regular checks help maintain optimal engine performance. And that's it. These simple checks fix most cars that won't start in under 5 minutes. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment what your car did. I'll help you diagnose it.